Introducing the 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan RL 2.0 TTI D7F 150 HP 5-door auto in sleek grey. With 13,000 kilometers on the clock, this powerhouse boasts a 2-litre diesel engine and an automatic transmission. Packed with top-of-the-line features like satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone, and lane departure warning, this estate model ensures a comfortable and safe ride every time. Plus, with security features like parking assistance and anti-collision system, you can drive with peace of mind. This Tiguan has been fully inspected, serviced to manufacturer standards, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Contact us today at www.connorcassidycars.ie for more information on this exceptional vehicle.